Welcome back to JTMJ Crafts. Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going today? I have a unboxing to get into from my sister Cassie. Sister Cassie is hosting a D-Stash in my Facebook group. So if you are in my Facebook group, there's a link down below that'll take you to the Facebook group. There's a D-Stash in there. I can tell you guys what paintings are available. So if you are interested, it's US only. There's Aurora Beauty, Wool Gathering, Shepherd's Cottage, On Golden Shores, Seabreeze Trail, The Sweet Life, Simple Country, and Where Time Moves Slower. And I bought this painting because it is something that I have wanted forever, but Diamond Art Club never, ever, ever seems to have this in stock. So when I seen Sister Cassie was destashing it, I said, mine. She put cute little dog tape on it. It's not for you, Trapper. It's a diamond painting. It is a diamond painting, Bubba. Throw that down there. Come here. Get up here. Someone is very impatient and wants to say hi and see what I got. Hey, leave my trolls alone. My troll. Leave my troll alone. I have him down there on my shelf. I see you. Thank you. What's on your lip? Dirt. Alright, let's get back to what I came here to do, which is to unbox this stunning... You're gonna focus? Stunning Eurasian eagle owl. I have wanted this forever and ever and ever. Oh, shit. Sister Cassie knows me. She threw in some Werthers. Thank you, sister. I dropped one on the floor. I'll get that in a sec. Leave it alone, Trap. We have diamonds. We have Werthers. Yum. I love Werthers. Thank you, sister. Here's our diamonds. Man, I have wanted this painting forever. And it is a round. Don't really think I need to get into the DAC toolkit because they are shown forever and a day all over the YouTube land. But this painting right here, oh my goodness, this is like... This has been on my wish list, high on my wish list for quite some time. And YouTube, DAC just never seemed to have it. And I was just like, I need this painting. It is stunning. Now, from what I see, this says it's the first edition. I don't know what the second one is. I'm going to have to go see if I can figure out what they mean by that. If there's a revised version, cool beans, I'll buy that thing too. But I'm on the wish list with DAC, trying to get that painting. Alright. I think I got it laid out. Oh god, that is stunning! The Eurasian eagle owl, one of my favorite birds. See how he's got these tufts? Those aren't even his ears. Those are just tufts they're like feathers where he can turn them and it like helps him hear because his ears are actually down here on the sides. His ears are micro. Oh my god, and he's got the heart I don't know why there's a lock on the heart, but there's a lock on the heart. Goodness gracious, this is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm so thankful Sister Cassie had it, and she was wanting to destash. Look at that. And it's got a steampunk clock in the background. This is a 52 by 72. It is called Time. Just stunning. How many colors? 23. Not bad. It's going to have its confetti moments throughout the feathers, but I'm completely fine with that because it is a round, y'all. And you know me, in my round paintings right now, I'm not working on any squares. I'm not going to get into these diamonds all that much. I just want to look. Is there any ABs in this? Nope. No ABs. So, it's not really any need to get into them. I was going to see if there's ABs. So it gives you an idea of a bunch of black, gray, blue, red, white, greens, a wide variety of colors. Absolutely can't wait to do this painting. It is gorgeous. Can't wait. So, a short video for you guys today. I hope you guys go over and check out the Facebook group. Go check out Sister Cassie's stash. She's trying to get rid of some of her stuff so she can pay for some medical bills and, you know, life type shit. So go check it out. Stuff is interesting. $14.50 for shipping. So really, really affordable. Go check it out. I hope you guys all have a fantastic day. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for me. Ring the notification bell so you know when I post. And I hope you guys have peace, love, respect for all. Bye, guys. Look at those stunning eyes. Alright, guys. Bye.